I am Paul Schwake, Senior Systems Engineer, 25 years this year. Yeah, just a couple months ago. Typically, I will check email and tickets in the morning to see if there's anything I need to jump on immediately. And I have to work things like tickets for customers, but I also work projects. So I may have little projects scheduled in between there. And I might jump off those here and there during the day if things come up that I have to address immediately. So there's about 20 of us here, and everybody has kind of a unique set of skills that they have. We kind of share some in between here and there, and everybody likes to work together and help each other out when we can. And those two things combined with the fact that most of us have been here for extended periods of time make it real good to work in this environment. There's probably two sides of that coin. One is being in the IT field, you constantly have to learn new things. So I'm always trying to pick up new technologies, new services in order to be successful as what we do for our customers. On the flip side of that, because we work with a lot of small to medium businesses, it's best if you go into those businesses and you learn what they do, not technically related to IT, but if you learn what they do, and in the process I'm learning all different types of what various businesses do throughout their day-to-day functions, then I can best implement my IT solutions into their business. So that keeps me kind of professionally growing there as far as learning new businesses out there that aren't related to IT, but that I deal with. One, when I was a real little kid, I was on Bozo's Circus on TV. I have a vague memory of being there on TV, throwing the ball into those buckets. And two, I have been multiple times in a leopard's cage with the leopard in there. I used to work at a pet store a long time ago, and this is before they had certain rules everywhere, but I would go in there and clean that cage with that leopard in there. That's pretty surprising when people hear that, and I'm like, yeah, it's like I shouldn't have been doing that, but that is one thing I did way back when. I'm a quiet, shy person. I've done karaoke probably once, and the one I do remember doing was My Girl. And I was picked to do the higher parts of that, which I could never do nowadays at all, because that was a long time ago. That is not one that I would do, because that's a little before my time. If I had to do it, I would probably do Peaches by the Presidents of the United States of America. I don't know if anybody knows that song, but it's a really cool song, and it's got a lot of pieces to it. And you could probably put a lot of action into that besides just the singing.